Artemis II is the first crewed mission to the Moon since Apollo 17, which was back in 1972. The capsule, which took off on April 1st of this year, will do an orbital flyby of the Moon to gather information for future missions. The main purpose for launching this rocket is to determine how well the SLS and the Orion Capsule perform during a crewed mission. This video discusses both the rocket and the information we hope to learn for our eventual return to the Moon. In order to get mankind back to the lunar surface, NASA developed a new rocket, called the Space Launch System, or SLS for short. The SLS was designed as a disposable rocket to send payloads outside of Earth's local orbit. The design phase of the rocket's production began in 2011 to replace the Space Shuttle, and had its first flight in November of 2022 with the Artemis I launch. The SLS, similar to many other rockets, has two solid fuel boosters which detach once they burn through their fuel. The main body of the rocket also has 4 engines, which can turn to adjust the ship's heading. The rocket has 2 stages and a payload compartment, which during the Artemis II mission, contained the Orion Capsule. The Orion Crew Capsule is capable of sustaining 4 crew members for up to 21 days. It improved upon the design of the Apollo program's crew module, increasing both reliability and technological ability. An early prototype of the Orion was launched in 2014, and after several test launches the capsule was chosen for the Artemis program. During Artemis I, an empty capsule was sent to fly around the Moon and return to test the module without risking the lives of astronauts. Once the Orion was deemed to be safe, the testing moved forward to a crewed launch, which is where the mission of Artemis II comes in. The mission goal of Artemis II is simple: to prepare for Artemis III. This preparation is done by understanding the effects long-term space travel has on human beings and the Orion capsule. Data will be taken on how microgravity and radiation affects crew members, as well as how travel to the Moon affects their mind and behavior. The performance of the life support systems will also be measured. The crew will also be taking photographs of landmarks on the lunar surface to help better understand the Moon's geography. Thank you for watching this video. If you're interested in learning more about current events in space, consider liking the video or subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.